My name is Dana Paget. I am into intro geology at Middle Georgia State University, and where I am doing my project on extrusive igneous rocks and their textures. Extrusive igneous rock is used to construct buildings and statues, while extrusive rock is used to make gravestones, statues, and countertops. Extrusive igneous rocks erupt onto the surface where they cool quickly to form small crystals. Some cool so quickly that they form an amorphous glass. These rocks include basalt, dacite, obsidian, pumice, and tuff. Extrusive or volcanic igneous rock is produced when magma exists and cools above or very near the Earth's surface. These are the rocks that form at erupting volcanoes and oozing fissures. The magma called lava, when molten rock erupts on the surface, cools and solidifies almost instantly when it is exposed to the relatively cool temperature of the atmosphere. Quick cooling means that mineral crystals don't have much time to grow, so these rocks have a very fine grained or even glassy texture. Andesite is an extrusive volcanic rock of intermediate composition. In a general sense, it is the intermediate type between basalt and rhyolite. The name Andesite is derived from the Andes mountain range, where the type of rock is found in abundance. They are also generally in coral reefs, replacing some coral as part of coral crust. Basalt is the most common type of extrusive igneous rock and the most common rock type at the Earth's surface. Basalt is a fine-grained, dark-colored extrusive igneous rock composed mainly of plagio-glass and pyroxene. The specimen shown is about 2 inches, 5 centimeters across. Basalt is a igneous rock formed from the rapid cooling of lava, which in magnesium and iron exposed at or very near the surface of a terrestrial planet or moon. Dacite is a fine-grained extrusive igneous rock that is usually light in color. It has a composition that is intermediate between a rhyolite and a dacite. It is often phosphoric. It is a rock type usually found on continental crust above subduction zones, where a relatively young ocean plate has melted below. Obsidian is a dark-colored volcanic glass that forms from the very rapid cooling of molten rock material. It cools so rapidly that crystals do not form. Obsidian is produced when felsic lava extruded from a volcano cools rapidly with minimal crystal growth. It is commonly found within the margins of rhyolitic lava flow known as obsidian flows. These flows have a high content of silica, which gives them a high viscosity. Pumice is a light-colored vesicular igneous rock. It forms through very rapid solidification of the melt. The vesicular texture is a result of gas trapped in the melt at the time of solidification. A pumice stone is formed when lava and water mix together. It's a light yet abrasive stone used to remove dry, dead skin. A pumice stone can also soften your calluses and corns to reduce pain from friction. And tuff is an igneous rock that forms from the products of an explosive volcanic eruption. In these eruptions, the volcano blasts rock, ash, magma, and other materials from its vent. This ejecta travels through the air and falls back to Earth in the area surrounding the volcano. If the ejected material is compacted and cemented into a rock, that rock will be called tuff. Tuff is usually thickest in the volcanic vent and decreases in thickness from distance from the volcano. These are pictures of the rocks. And that's it.